Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nani Yunengsih. In this occasion, I will explain about the use Edmodo in teaching writing in a blended learning setting. Talking about Edmodo, Edmodo is a social learning platform for teacher, lecturer, or student to support e-learning such as assignment and assessment and so on. Through Edmodo, teacher and student can share notes or document and can continue online discussion. And this Edmodo is a solution to teaching English, especially for teaching writing. Next, literature review. There are blended learning, Edmodo, and writing. First, blended learning. According to Marson 2005, in blended learning, philosophically, students are stimulated to acquire new knowledge by learning their previous experience, knowledge, and experience. Second, according to Adas and Bakir 2013 and another researcher, Edmodo is varied to be application in writing. Several studies have proven how Edmodo works in writing classes. Result of research mostly reveals that Edmodo is able to integrate it to writing. And the last is writing. According to Harmer 2007, GBA, genre-based approach, suitable for students from English. He also believed that this approach can even help for students to write. According to Rothery 1996, emphasize that teacher must guide students in the process writing by especially teaching them how to write a nice text. Goals. This research aims to first find out Edmodo is learning platform in a mixed learning setting is implemented in teaching writing in combination with a genre-based approach. Second, how Edmodo facilitates in engagement. And the last, how students feel the use Edmodo in teaching and learning activities. Method. This research used the method qualitative approach with a case study design. Participant. The participants involved were a class of 5th grade of a private senior high school in Cimahi, West Java, which consists of 20 students with a purposive sampling technique, according Casual 2003. However, during the research, only 17 students were involved since the 3 students had limited access to online learning. Data collection. For instrumental use to collect data. First, observation is used to see how Edmodo is applied in teaching writing where the researcher acts as a teacher researcher. Second, document analysis take from the document posts on Edmodo are both teacher and student posts. Third, focus group interview with semi-structured design document analysis with an interview are mainly used to obtain data for student engagement. And the last, an open questionnaire with use the check student opinion about the use of Edmodo. The result. The results show that the teaching writing, it was positive and negative Edmodo into GBA writing cycles. Edmodo also facilitated student engagement cognitively during classroom session. Students show various response toward the use of Edmodo based on the uses and gratification theory (UGT) framework. Conclusion. The conclusion of the use Edmodo in teaching writing in a blended learning setting is Edmodo is an implemented application to teach writing in secondary school by integrating mixed learning program for 2 GBA writing cycles. However, it was also identified that there are various positive and negative responses to the use of from Edmodo. Bandwidth problems, student confusion in using Edmodo, and smartphone incompatibility learning application are also identified. Okay, that's all from me. Hopefully, the material present can be understood more and less. Sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.